Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI note-taking platform, which is ClickUp and MeetGeek. So to get started with quick analysis, ClickUp is a comprehensive productivity platform designed for project management and team collaboration. It lets you combine tasks, document, goals, and timeline together with a unified space perfect for people who want their notes directly tied to their daily workflow. With powerful collaboration, flexible view option, and automation, ClickUp is a strong match for project management and teams who need all-round tools. Now, talking about MeetGeek, on the other hand, focus on automating meetings, note, turning conversation into actionable highlight. It transcribes meetings in real time, summarize the key point, and also highlight the decision and action items. Perfect for busy professionals who want to stay on top of meetings without manually taking note. So if you need a robust platform to manage all your tasks and documents, go for ClickUp. But if you want efficient ways to capture and summarize meetings, MeetGeek might be your best match in 2025. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two AI taking note and which of these will be your better option. And that's it.